Tesla recently announced that its Cybertruck electric pickup has moved to the tooling phase in the Texas Gigafactory, where the first batches will be built on the way to its 2023 launch. Its battery packs, however, will reportedly be made in Tesla's older Fremont factory, which has a facility for the new 4680 cells, then shipped to the Austin plant for assembly. While it is not clear whether the Cybertruck will receive the 4680 battery pack like the Model Y batches built in Texas, Tesla said it has the electric pickup's battery supply already covered. It seems that the Cybertruck design is also being retooled in the tooling phase when Tesla sets up the production space and installs the machine equipment for its manufacturing. A recent spy video from the Austin, Texas Gigafactory shows that Tesla has significantly redesigned the rear lighting of the Cybertruck. The new taillight strip, in particular, is now quite different from what Elon Musk rode on earlier in the year, as can be seen in the video below. Instead of just a thin red LED strip, the brake light is now enriched with two thicker orange sidelines as well, necessitating the widening of the black bar beneath the central strip. The light pattern has also changed, with three shorter sections illuminated in the side's orange hue. That's how Tesla may have been planning it all along, but it's the first time that we are seeing the new rear design in action. There are also two reverse lights on both sides of the number plate, hinting that this might be the final design that will end up in the retail unit. Tesla's futuristic electric pickup is expected to start shipping to those who pre-ordered it first in the summer at a Cybertruck price that might be higher than what Tesla initially announced. The Cybertruck may indeed be in the tooling phase, as Tesla suggested during its quarterly results recap, as it has been filmed brandishing a close-to-retail taillight group. The complete brake, reverse light illumination pattern sequence is being demonstrated in what could be the final rear design of the Cybertruck. Tesla brags it's the most profitable car company, while Elon Musk says Cybertruck price has to rise. Speaking before an annual shareholder meeting in Texas, Elon Musk said that parts and materials inflation may be abating, but Tesla would still have to raise the Cybertruck's pricing for its release in 2023. The Cybertruck debuted at a sub-$40,000 United States dollars base price, which can only be dreamt of in today's environment of rampant inflation and supply chain challenges. While noting that Tesla's procurement department has started to forecast a downward trend in the price of some raw materials that go into its electric cars, and that we are past peak inflation, Elon Musk said the Cybertruck's price would still have to be higher next year when it launches. Cybertruck pricing: it was unveiled in 2019, and the reservation was $99. A lot has changed since then, so the specs and the pricing will be different. I hate to give sort of a little bit of bad news, but I think there's no way to sort of anticipate the inflation that we've seen in the various issues. But what I can say is that the Cybertruck will be one hell of a product. It's going to be like a damn fine machine. Recently, an aerodynamics engineer put the updated Cybertruck design through a drag coefficient simulation and concluded that Tesla has done a pretty good job given the angular chopped with axe design of its electric pickup truck. While Rivian's R1T aerodynamics remain unbeatable, its form is a bit more orthodox compared to the Cybertruck, too. As other examples of update specs, Tesla is waiting on the mass production start of the 4680 cells that will be used by the Cybertruck's battery, too. Thus, if Tesla wants to keep its profit margins, which Ford's CEO said are the envy of the car industry, it will most likely have to start the Cybertruck price from closer to $50,000 United States dollars rather than the original $40,000. Virtually all of its models underwent significant price hikes in the span of just a couple of quarters to compensate for the rising price of raw materials, batteries, and the general shortage of components, so the Cybertruck won't be an exception. Elon Musk himself noted that Tesla's car prices are already at embarrassing levels not long ago, but was careful to add that the world's largest EV maker will lower them only if it sees inflation on a sustainable downwards path. "I think inflation is going to drop rapidly," he now said at the Texas shareholder meeting, "as most of our commodities, most of the things that go into a Tesla, not all, but more than half, the prices are trending down in 6 months." It remains to be seen if Tesla will follow the trajectory and start lowering the Model 3 or Model Y price after those 6 months, but in the meantime, Elon Musk couldn't help but brag about Tesla's profit chart. At close to the whopping 15% operating margin, Tesla is now the most profitable carmaker, followed by some premium German brands like BMW or Mercedes, and it apparently intends to stay that way with the Cybertruck release, too. Tesla begins tooling for Cybertruck batteries to be built in Fremont. Tesla is set to begin production of the Cybertruck at Giga Texas in mid-2023, a timeline that was reaffirmed during Tesla's Q3 earnings call. After initially unveiling the electric pickup truck in 2019, Tesla has delayed production several times due to supply chain challenges among other economic issues. While the Cybertruck is going to be built at Giga Texas, Tesla plans to start manufacturing battery packs for the upcoming truck at its Fremont factory, a plant that is already operational. It was previously expected that the batteries would be manufactured at Giga Texas, the same factory where the Cybertruck will be assembled. However, battery cells and cell pack manufacturing are not yet ready to begin mass production at its newly constructed Gigafactory in Austin, Texas. Earlier this year, Tesla applied to build a battery and cathode manufacturing facility at Gigafactory, Texas. Construction has started, but it likely will not be ready in time for the Cybertruck's projected to launch in mid-2023. Tesla is set to use IDRA's new Giga Press with a clamping force of 9,000 tons to produce the Cybertruck. The new Giga Press is comprised of 54 pieces, weighing approximately 170,995 pounds. The Giga Press arrived in Houston, Texas last week and can be expected to reach the Gigafactory in Austin, Texas soon. IDRA Group is one of Tesla's key suppliers that provide the automaker with giant manufacturing machines. The 6,000-ton Giga Press they constructed gives Tesla the ability to manufacture single-piece ends for the Model Y. Giga Texas will soon receive a 9,000-ton Giga Press to manufacture the Cybertruck. The Q3 earnings release revealed that the Cybertruck is now in the tooling phase of production. The tooling phase is where Tesla starts setting up the machines and production line before a vehicle enters full production. Although production is not fully underway, this is a good sign that Tesla is on track to begin production mid-2023. Are you ordering a Cybertruck? Let me know down below. If you want to continue to learn about Tesla, SpaceX, and Elon Musk, we have got 2 more videos waiting on the screen for you to check out. Don't forget to give this video a like, and subscribe for more videos about Tesla. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.